Hello guys, I'm Muhammad Buba. I'm going to show you how to reset a mobile Wi-Fi. First, you have to open your mobile Wi-Fi. You will see a place at the left side, the right reset. You will see a hole where the right reset. You should now find a key or stick in order to press it for a long period of time or about 2 minutes. You will press it, don't take the key or the stick or whatever the instrument you're going to put inside that hole. You should hold it for about 2 minutes. Don't take it off. If you take it off, the mobile Wi-Fi will not reset again. And if it will not reset, the pin will not change. You have to press the hole that you see that the right reset. You should press it about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Don't take your hand in order to reset the mobile Wi-Fi or to reset the mobile Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. When you finish restarting, you now on your mobile Wi-Fi and wait for it to search for itself. Bring out your mobile phone and connect to your Wi-Fi. By there, when you switch on the Wi-Fi, when you connect with your phone, your password has been reset or restart, and your new pin is inside. When you open the battery of the mobile Wi-Fi, that is what you will see, your default mobile Wi-Fi pin, and you should put it and continue to enjoy your mobile Wi-Fi new password. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello guys, I'm Muhammad Buba. I'm going to show you how to reset a mobile Wi-Fi. First, you have to open your mobile Wi-Fi. You will see a place at the left side, the right reset. You have to see how it is connected.